I'm the brand development manager. I help clients create their own skincare brands from concept to shelf, from formulating product to design to choosing packaging and putting the whole process together. Not only do I love skincare, I also love helping small businesses and watching startup businesses grow into successful entities. New Directions started back in the early 90s with two owners. One was a junior lawyer, the other one was a tea importer. A mutual friend showed them some citronella oil that he'd brought back from Sri Lanka. They scoured the yellow pages and they looked for businesses that may have been in need of citronella oil. They were very lucky to come across a manufacturer of insect repellent who was so impressed, he decided to order 600 kilos of oil. The money was reinvested back into the business, and that's when they decided to focus on natural ingredients. We are a boutique manufacturer where we help start-up businesses, but then we manufacture and export to some of the biggest names in the industry. So it's quite a diverse place to work. If you've ever formulated with naturally derived ingredients, they can be quite tricky. So we're very lucky to have a talented formulating team who also assists with the manufacturing process. We have our quality control manager. She ensures that every single jar has been inspected. We have our senior regulatory manager, and he ensures that all the regulatory and all the paperwork is compliant. And we have our production manager, and she ensures that processes are being followed and that production runs smoothly. We have a very passionate team. My favourite New Directions product is our coenzyme Q10 oil because it keeps your skin feeling really well nourished. It's very high in antioxidants and it's a great anti-aging product. One of the biggest challenges was trying to break into the export market. A few years ago, we were very lucky to gain our ISO accreditation because as a business, that just really opened doors for the export market. It's really important to know that with certified organic that there are vigorous processes, so it's not just about calling a product organic. We actually have to ensure that we meet very strict protocol, so we're audited yearly to ensure that those protocols are met. I've been in the industry for a really long time, and it's really important because in New Directions we see ourselves as advocates for the business in creating natural and safe skincare for our clients. We are pioneers in working together, not only with our customers, but with our competitors. We don't withhold information. It's all about sharing of information so everyone's successful, and that's what a true leader does. We're creating a resource hub at New Directions. We have formulating chemists who sit on a help desk. We have a design team that help to design customers' labels and boxes. We have our manufacturing team who also help create and formulate client formulas. The uniqueness of our formulations is that they're formulated here, right in Marrickville on the premises, and then they go straight into manufacturing. Our manufacturing process is quite complex. It starts off with a batch sheet where we have staff members ensure that all the raw materials are correct and picked, and then it goes into a production line. Once it's manufactured, it goes off for testing. So we do what's called microbial testing to ensure that the product hasn't been contaminated throughout the manufacturing process. I think it's really important for our customers to know that, they can come to New Directions and feel really comfortable. We have an amazing showroom that's open weekly, 9 to 5. They can come in and have a play, talk to our consulting chemists, talk to our friendly customer service staff, and really turn their dreams into a reality. One of the proudest moments at New Directions was when we started to see a lot of the larger brands in the industry knock on our doors wanting us to contract manufacture for them and formulate for them. We're very big on innovation, sourcing lots of innovative new raw materials that we can use in the natural space. There's always something exciting happening at New Directions. We are also working very closely to bring out a new beauty supplement which will be approved by the TGA to work in synergy with our existing skincare range, and it's all about inner health, outer beauty.